Kevin here. I'm at 170 Otero, and you hear the truck. That means we just got done staging. But let's go take a look at this house. We're in Palencia, and it's a lovely Lennar home. Immaculately kept, and it's going on the market this weekend. So let's walk in, and we'll see Adrienne in here and see what she has to say about the house.
I'm a really shy, reserved type. I don't have much to say.
Okay.
Bye.
See you later.
Come on in. Welcome to 170 Otero Point. This is in Palencia North. And what I really like about this house is the floor plan and the lot. We're going to talk about both. So where are we right now? You're talking about the floor plan. It's nice and open, and it's a split floor plan. So you have what I call 3 different zones. So you've got 2 bedrooms that share a bath here. Then you have another bedroom with an ensuite bath, which is really nice to have a dedicated bath that is reserved for that bedroom. And then of course the primary is in the back. So 3 different zones for maximum privacy and livability. It's a great floor plan. Let's check it out.
Yep.
So this is bedroom 1 of 4, and you can see it's at the front of the house. This might be a bedroom that you would use maybe as an office. We've staged another bedroom nearby. Also, we've actually staged it as an office, as you can see. Sorry, I'm standing in your way.
So these bedrooms share this bathroom
That's
that I'm
right.
about to show you.
Yep. So there's a hall bath here, nice sized vanity, tub shower, and you can see Mr. and Miss Neat live here. It's very just very organized.
Amazingly
All little
well
things
kept.
you can tell they're super neat.
I mean, this house is pretty new, but it feels brand new.
It really is. It's why wait for new construction. So this is zone 2 of 3. So you've got your laundry and your hallway to get to the garage, which is where you started your tour. And this is a larger of the 3 other bedrooms, not including the primary, and it has its own dedicated bath, which is awesome. So as a teenager, I would have loved to have had this bedroom. If you're listening, Mom and Dad, I would have loved to have had a private bathroom and not share a little brother. But yeah, so this is really nice. Maybe it's a guest room that they'll have their own bathroom. Maybe it's a teen, who knows? So extra storage, you'll see that there's doors kind of scattered throughout with little storage nooks. This is dining, living, kitchen, kind of your main big zone. Huge. I mean, you could have a square dance in here. Lots of room. And you know, one thing that makes homes feel bigger is contiguous flooring. So this is upgraded wood look tile, easy maintenance, and it's throughout all of the main spaces. So it just makes it flow really nicely. Another thing I'm a little jealous of, when we bought our new house, I wasn't able to get a double oven. So this house has it. So if I put it off on this house, don't be upset, Kevin. It has double oven, and it has a gas, natural gas metering, gas cooktop, and all the appliances stay. So that's really nice. Quartz countertop, and a nice big pantry. So it's just a really, just very functional, oversized island, as you can see. And then we make our way to kind of 2 places. We can go. I haven't checked to see if this is open or not, so it might not be. Oh, it is. Okay.
Yep, and that slides all back there, so you've got a double opening.
Yeah, that's a good point to bring up. So this is a nice private lot. This is preserve, and well past the preserve, there is another street that we're in Palencia North, so you're not going to have anyone building behind you. You have a privacy fence, you have privacy shrubs, so it's a very serene, quiet
Nice
place.
upgrade out here with the pavers.
Very nice
You've
upgrade.
set up for a TV out here already.
TV, summer kitchen if you wanted a kitchen out here. It's already pavered, which is nice, so that was the front and back are both pavered. So nice size yard. There's some citrus trees back there, as you can see. But this is, if you're entertaining, just imagine if this was open, what a huge space for entertaining. It's really nice to have. So we'll round out our tour with the primary suite. We have his and her closets, as you can see here. And they're nice size walk-in closets. And you've got, they have a queen bed, but this would certainly fit a king with no problem. If you wanted a king